Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import contacts into Pipedrive. This is essential for managing your client's relationship. So let's begin by following these few steps together. Now the first step is to prepare your contacts lists. Save your contacts in a CSV file with fields like name, email, and phone number. I'm gonna look for a file that have these programs right here. Work. This one, and we're gonna search for contacts file. Yeah, this one. Right here, we're gonna preview it. As you can see, it has its first name, last name, phone number, email address, etc. Now the second step is to import contacts. From here, go to log into Pipedrive by going to pipedrive.com and entering your account credentials to log in. Now after you log in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard right here. Go to the contacts model and click import contacts. Let's look for the contacts model right here. This one is the contacts model. This one right here is contacts model. And let's click on import data right here. Contacts import data. And we're gonna drag the file that we have from here to this. And we're gonna wait for the uploading process. Now the file may not be, this error may occur when the file doesn't have the proper fields like name, email, and phone number, because Pipedrive requires the these these information. Like you see, organization type fields has been mapped, but some mandatory data is missing. Map at least one mandatory field or remove organization type fields. So you may have to remove some fields or modify the file. Now, if you have an adequate file, it will be uploaded easily. Once it's uploaded, we're gonna have to move to the third step, which is to complete the process. Now you have to verify the imported data and save it. Once you do that, your contacts will be in Pipedrive. And that's how you import contacts in Pipedrive. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.